up, guys? It's your girl Paris, and we're back with another boom 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 banger. Make sure you're new to the channel. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. But if you're not new, then you already know you're tuned into the Buildings family on YouTube. So what's up, guys? You all think I must do a day 2 of what colors say when I have a color tarot to them. So obviously, fuck it, let me do it. Okay, so colors. Most people say, I'm gonna tell your mommy. I'm gonna tell your mommy. So actually, I've done it one on day 1, but day 2 they don't say only like that. Mother, tell your mother you don't come be like this to me, ne? Ne? Oh, up now. So see, most of our ash and colors obviously say that. Some of us don't so say that. And then number 2. Most colors say come into pluk uitgetrek. You might not know what it is, but you'll have to Google it by yourself. Okay? So I don't know, but that's my parents' favorite word to be saying right now. So I can't tell you what is that word, but I might another day. And then for the third word we have gaan jou magazine slaan uit. Guys, what the frick? Look at them see now. Guys, there is no literally way. Freaking way. Is it? Just give me a second. Let me find it quickly. Is it?